End of this tutorial, we're going to learn how to highlight text in Microsoft Word. Here you can see default text. I want to highlight this word. Select the word. There is highlight option. You can see the text highlight color. Simply just click on it. Your text will be highlighted. You can choose another word for highlight. There is a shortcut. Change color from here. You can see that. Again choice. Then go to option. If you want to no color, here is no color. And choose another color from here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new interesting videos.